How to fix WhatsApp document photos not showing in gallery. This tutorial shows you how to make document images visible in your gallery app on your Android device. First, understand that photos sent as documents in WhatsApp are saved in a different folder than regular photos. This is why they don't automatically appear in your gallery. Open the Files application on your Android device. Next, tap on Internal Storage or This device. Following that, scroll down and look for the WhatsApp folder. Now, tap on WhatsApp to open it. Tap on Media to access WhatsApp's media files. Moving forward, you'll see different folders like WhatsApp Images, WhatsApp Video, and WhatsApp Documents. Tap on WhatsApp Documents to open it. Afterwards, you'll see all the document files that were sent to you. This includes photos that were sent as documents instead of regular images. Long press on the photo you want to move to your gallery. You can select multiple photos by tapping on Additional Images. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Move or Copy from the menu. Navigate to your DCIM folder or Pictures folder. This is where your gallery app looks for images. Tap on Camera or any other folder inside DCIM. Tap Move Here or Paste to move the photos. The photos are now in your gallery folder. Close the Files app and open your gallery application. The photos should now appear in your gallery with your other images. Alternatively, if you want document photos to automatically show in gallery, go back to WhatsApp Media folder in Files. Look for WhatsApp Documents folder. Check if there's a .no media file inside. The .no media file prevents gallery apps from scanning that folder. If you see it, long press on .no media file. Tap Delete to remove it. This will allow your gallery to scan and display document photos automatically. Note that removing .no media might make all document files visible in gallery, not just photos. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix WhatsApp document photos not showing in gallery, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.